What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we just got an unboxing for you guys today. And it's Christmas edition for my brother, and also the one thing that's in here you're gonna have to wait to see actually on Christmas, because that's actually for me. So what I got my brother was Hot Ones, the Truth or Dab game. If you official hot sauce included, tell the truth or suffer the spicy consequences. Hold on. Then I got some bookmarks. And these are really cool. So you have the back of it. Tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And there is there's 250 cards. The last dab hot sauce, 8 spoons, and wings are not included. There's a lot in here. Read that. And yes, this is for my brother. So, Merry Christmas, Tim. I hope you don't watch this video before Christmas, but there you go. I got you Hot Ones, the Truth or Dab game. And there goes the next thing. Come on. Where'd they go? And then, ooh, there's 4. Awesome! We got, horror bookmarks, guys. We got Chucky. We got It. We got Freddy. And we got Jason. Let's freaking go. Dude, only $9 for these. $9 for 4. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. And yes, this is it is a book, but it's a Christmas gift for me, so I can't unbox it. I'm sorry, but these are not. So we got Chucky bookmark. We got the Freddy bookmark. And we got the Pennywise bookmark. And we got the Jason bookmark. Let's go. And so then we got the Hot Ones, Truth or Dab for my brother. So that's always cool. It's a very good show. And my brother and his fiance do game night, I believe. So it's always good to have a game for game night. Duh. So Truth or Dab and bookmarks for the Becky Lynch book I have. Where's the Matthew Perry book I have? Nope, there it is. Don't know why it's on there. But yeah, so that's what I picked up today. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, please, I've knocked on the door. Please let me in on your YouTube subscription boxes, on your phones, on your computers, on your tablets, on your PS4s, wherever in the world you guys get YouTube. I want to be in that subscription box. wherever in the world you get YouTube, either if it's a iPhone, Xbox, PS4, wherever in the world you guys get YouTube, I want you to hit and smash that subscribe button right here, and please leave the comments in the comment section down below as I sneeze. Or not. That's always great. Snot in my throat. Please follow the YouTube Bazads. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. So, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.